Make soft pretzels, bread machine recipe. Pretzels are made from dough, baked and popular for their knot shape. These are German foods that also became famous in the United States. There are soft and crispy hard pretzels. Different flavors are added by sprinkling or applying them on top of pretzels such as butter, cinnamon, nuts, salt, and poppy seeds. Kids love these not only for the taste but because of the shape. That's why these are fun to eat. If you have a bread machine at home, you can make soft pretzels. Your kids will surely be excited. You can share these to their playmates and they will sure have a great time playing while eating these soft pretzels. With your bread machine, it will be easier for you to make the dough that you will use for the pretzels. There is no need to mix ingredients manually because the machine will do it for you. Here are the steps on how to make soft pretzels using bread machine. Prepare the things that you will use in making soft pretzels. These are 3 tablespoons of butter, 5 teaspoons of baking soda, 4 cups of flour, 1 1/3 cup of water, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 pack of dry yeast and 1 teaspoon salt. You can also use margarine instead of butter. You will also need pot, baking sheet, oven, and bread machine. Put ingredients in bread machine. Put 1 1/3 cup of water in bread machine, then add 3 tablespoons of butter. The next ingredient you need to add is 4 teaspoons of sugar, followed by 1 teaspoon salt. Put 4 cups of flour and lastly add 1 pack of dry yeast. For the bread machine to start processing the ingredients, select the dough option, then press on start. Once done, you will have the dough for your pretzels. Remove this from the bread machine. Shape pretzels. Sprinkle flour on the surface where you will be working. Put the dough on the surface and start kneading. Roll the dough so you can get the desired thickness of your pretzels. Cut these into strips depending on how big you want your pretzels to be. To make it even more fun, call your kids and let them help you in kneading and rolling the dough. Shape the strips into knot shapes. Once done, cover the pretzels with cheesecloth and leave for 45 minutes. This is to let the dough rise. Boil water. A few minutes before the specified time, get a large pot and boil baking soda with 1 quart of water. While waiting for the water with soda to boil, get your baking sheet and grease with butter. You can also use non-stick spray to grease. Once your pretzels are ready and water is already boiling, add pretzels to the boiling water for about 30 seconds, then turn these and boil for another 30 seconds. Remove these from the pot and put these on the baking sheet. Put the toppings of your choice such as salt and poppy seeds or butter and cinnamon sugar. Bake pretzels. Turn on the oven and set the temperature to 425 degrees. Put the baking sheet and bake pretzels for about 10 minutes. Once done, remove the baking sheet from the oven and your pretzels are now ready to serve. Serve these for your kids' snack time and they will surely like the soft pretzels you prepared.